In this video, you will learn how to successfully build a Ceco PPOF order form. PPOF stands for Pre-Printed Order Form. This is the electronic order form that you are building of items that you stock on the shelf that you can use going forward to place factory orders. To build a PPOF, you will click the plus button here to the right. In the project name field, you will want to name your PPOF something that you can readily identify it by, such as Master PPOF or My Master PPOF. This will create the master project that you will be using going forward to copy into new projects that you will be placing into the factory. As a tip, you might consider adding your master PPOF to a master project folder for easier retrieval. Once you have your PPOF project details entered, you will click Add, and that will add the project to the Project tab. When you're ready to start adding items, just click on your PPOF project and build the products that you stock. Stock items can be configured items, items built in either the door order or frame order tab, or non-configured items, items built in the SKU item order tab. Make sure to leave the quantities at 0 to help when placing future orders into the factory. When you have finished building your PPOF, you are now ready for the next step, which is approval. Send an email to your Ceco customer service professional and provide them with your PPOF project name. Customer service will review the items to make sure that the items are approved for PPOF factory ordering. If any items need to be removed, customer service will notify you. Once the PPOF form has been approved, customer service will mark the order as an approved PPOF. You will notice that the order form will have PPOF marked as the priority type. After this point, no changes can be made to the lines on the order form. When you are ready to place a PPOF order, you will locate your master PPOF project under the Project tab. Highlight the project line and click the Copy button. Fill out the project name, description, and click Copy. The new project created will be seen in the Project tab. Click on the new project. From here, you can set your header information, add quantities next to the stock items needed, and place the order. Edge will run the line validations, so you will not need to do anything else. Once the PPOF form has been placed into the factory, you will get your Ceco sales order number confirmation. Be sure to use Assembly Connect going forward to check the status of this as well as all of your ASA branded purchases. Thank you for your continued support in using Ceco Edge, and we will look forward to seeing your PPOF orders come through into the factory.